Hi, it's your favorite Pensacola home inspector once again. I'm going to tell you a little bit about knob and tube wiring. Knob and tube wiring was something that was used to the early part of the last century, from the 1900s up to the middle of the century. A lot of times, if you get into some of these attics, you'll find knob and tube wiring. This particular attic has knob and tube wiring, and it's called knob and tube because they run individual wires. Let's see if we can zoom in on this. And then they run it through a little ceramic insulator, that's the knob. And if they have to go through a wall or through a board or something, then they use these little tubes. They drill a hole through it and slide the ceramic tube through there, and then run the wire through the middle of it. The problem with knob and tube wiring is, if we can get a close-up on this, you can see that it's insulated with cloth rather than any type of plastic insulation. And a lot of times that cloth wears off. In this particular attic, the knob and tube wiring is covered by insulation, so you got to step lightly where you're checking, because this knob and tube wiring, as you can see, is active. Use our little electrical tester here to test it, but it is active knob and tube wiring, and since it's buried below the insulation, I don't know where there's live wires and where there's not, so I have to be real careful where I'm stepping. If you're buying a house in this age range, you might want to get a home inspector that will check for knob and tube wiring in the attic. If you need a good home inspector in the Pensacola area, be sure to call A-Pro or check us out at the web, a-pro.inspects.com, a-proinspects.com. I'll get it right one of these days. And you can tell I'm not a professional at speaking, but I am a professional at inspecting. So give us a call at 850-916-7669 or visit us on the web. Hope you find these videos informational and have a great day.